Today we are going to learn about a clock showing the time 2 p.m. So what is the question is, at t minutes past 2 p.m. the time needed by the minutes hand and a clock to show 3 p.m. was found to be 3 minutes less than t square by 4 minutes. Find a t. That is the question. Now here a clock is there. Now the time shown by the clock is 2 p.m. So I need to show the time 3 hours, that is 3 p.m. Further said, initially the time shown by the clock is 2 p.m. Then afterwards it started moving. I don't know how many minutes it started, but those many minutes are less than to become as a 3 p.m. That is the meaning of the question. Those many minutes are less to become as a 3 p.m. For example, I will give a question here. For example, now time is 2:10. Then to become 3, to show 3 hours, that is 3 p.m., how many minutes are less? 50 minutes. Therefore, it shows 3 hours. That is the meaning. That is nothing but 3 hours is nothing but 3 p.m. So how many minutes are less here? 50. That is the reason I will explain this one as time as t minutes. T minutes. Okay, na? T minutes. So these t minutes are less to become 3 hours. That is 3 p.m. So if you add this t minutes to 2 hours past of the time, then you will have 3 p.m. That is only the question here. So you need to understand that question. Let t minutes are less than 3 p.m. That is 60 minus t is equals to 3 p.m. Why 60? Because the total clock will rotate 60 minutes. Okay now. So how much time is left? Already this time shows that t minutes less than. T minutes less than is already t minutes completed by 2 hours. That is 2 p.m. Okay now. So that time you need to subtract from 60. So how much minutes are left? Those many minutes makes to become as a 3 p.m. That is the condition here. Condition number 1. Over. Then come to the condition number 2. And a clock to show 3 p.m. was found to be 3 p.m. was found to be 3 minutes less than t square by 4. Means this is also showing 3 p.m. only. This is also showing 3 p.m. only. So by using the property of transitive relation, if A is equals to B and B is equals to C, then ultimately A is equals to C. Therefore, here you are having 60 minus t is equals to t square by 4 minus 3. It is also showing the meaning is nothing but 60 minus t is nothing but the time shown by the clock is equals to 3 p.m. Means t minutes. What are the t minutes here? Already it's passed away 2. So I need to subtract t minutes from that. For example, again I will repeat here. For example, t minutes are nothing but, which makes us to understand how many minutes are left to become as a 3. Okay now. So come to the point of this. So 60 minus t is equals to, we need to understand only this question. Already this question is, the statement is given in the question. Just we need to understand regarding 60 minus t. That implies, go for the simplification. T and t square by 4 both are the terms which are variables. Take it to other side. Take the constants to other side. Therefore, 60 minus 3 comes to this side will becomes as a plus 3. T square by 4 minus t goes to that side will becomes as a plus 2. Keep the denominator as a 1. That implies 60 plus 3 is equals to 63. Go for the LCM. 4 is the LCM. T square plus 40 by 1. Do the cross multiplication. 63 into 4 is equals to T square plus 4. Go for the simplification. 4 3s are 12. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1. 25 is equals to T square plus 4T. Our equation is T square plus 40 is equals to 252. T square plus 40 plus 252 is transposed to other side will becomes as a minus 252. Now you need to go for the factorization, that is nothing but a splitting the middle term. 252 is multiplied to coefficient of leading power coefficient, that is 1. So 252 into 1 is equals to 252. Now I need to go for the factorization for 252 such that the sum of the factors must be, sum or the difference of the factors must be equals to the middle term, and product of the factors must be equal to the 252. Doing factorization for 252, the product of the two factors 18 into 14 is equals to 252. 18 minus 14 is equals to 4. It is balanced. So our factors are 18 and 14. Therefore, t square plus, instead of 4t, I will write as 18t minus 14t minus 252 is equals to 0. Therefore, I will take t as a common. T plus 18 minus 14 of t plus 18 is equals to 0. Then the first bracket is t plus 18. The second bracket is t minus 14 is equals to 0. Therefore, t plus 18 is equals to 0. That implies t is equals to minus 18. T minus 14 is equals to 0. That implies t is equals to 14. See here, one is minus value, one is plus value. Minus value is not considered because the negative minutes will not be considered. Only the positive minutes are to be considered. So t is equals to 14 minutes. So minutes is equals to 14. So to become 3 p.m., how many minutes are less? 14 minutes are less. Therefore, now see what is the time? So 60 minus 14. Go for the difference. 10 minus 4 is 6. 5 minus 1 is 4. Therefore, the time shown by the clock is equals to 2 hours 46 minutes. The time shown by the clock is 2 hours 46 minutes. That is the thing which we need to understand there. This is the first condition. Actually, the time shown by clock is 2 hours 46 minutes. So for 2 hours 46 minutes, if I add 14 minutes, then the time shown by the clock is 3 hours. That is nothing but 3 p.m. Now come to the point here. The meaning is nothing but 14 minutes are less to show that clock 3 p.m. That is, so 2 hours passed. Therefore 2 hours 46 minutes. So 14 minutes are less to become as a 3 p.m. That is the condition number 1. Then what is the condition number 2? T square by 4 minus 3. See here, 14 t square by 4 minus 3. So these are the minutes which are to be at 2 p.m. Okay, na? 2 hours t square by 4 minus 3 minutes are shown by the clock for to become as a 3 p.m. Therefore, 14 square by 4 minus 3 is equals to 196 by 4 minus 3. That is equals to 49 minus 3 is equals to 46. So, the time shown by the clock is equals to 2 hours 46 minutes at p.m. Therefore, 14 minutes are less to become as a 3 p.m. Hence, complete. So, the minutes are 14 minutes.